Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So this has been a very strong move to the upside this month. We only have a couple days left to the month, so I'm kind of curious to see how this monthly candle closes, to see if it actually ends up with a big wick on the top, like a big pullback, or if it closes very strong. Either way, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, very strong move to the upside, which I was originally thinking was a wave 2, but now I'm thinking more likely this is an A, and this is probably all an A, B, C, or B. Now, if that's true, then at some point it probably will turn down. But we don't really want to try to identify the top of this move, but instead we'll just keep on going long on shorter time frames until proven that it's over, because it could always just keep on going. So anyways, let's take it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, very strong move to the upside. We are into this order block area right here, so maybe this will be an area of resistance, maybe not, who knows? Like I said, the higher time frames are leading us to believe that maybe it's just going to keep on making those higher highs, higher lows. Let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame, because that's where we can actually start to see the structure that makes up this move. And yeah, there's definitely no reason to think this move is over. I mean, for me, the last major structure level is right here. And until I see a break of structure on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame, I'm still looking at every move to the downside as possibly nothing more than a correction to the last wave up. Every single one of these moves down was only a correction to the last wave up. So until we actually get a break of these higher highs, higher lows series, I 100% will be doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks like it's going back up. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. It looks like a Fibonacci bounce. It looks like an engulfing move to the upside. I would expect it to at least go up and make a new high on this 1 hour time frame, and maybe even a lot further. Like I said, every single higher time frame literally is in an uptrend. So we really do not want to be on these shorter time frames looking for shorts, but instead we should be looking to go long at the end of every single one of these pullbacks that we see, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. At least until the 4 to 8 hour time frame give us a break of structure to the downside, which they definitely have not done so yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.